Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lightroom to organize color consistency for video. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Lightroom and navigate to the library module. Import your video files by clicking the import button in the top left corner. Select the folder containing your videos and click import to add them to your catalog. Once your videos are imported, select a video clip to start organizing your color consistency. Navigate to the Develop module to access color grading tools. Begin by adjusting the white balance using the temperature and tint sliders. Use the eyedropper tool to select a neutral area in your video if needed. Next, adjust the exposure to ensure your video is well lit and balanced. Move on to the Tone Curve panel for more precise control over brightness and contrast. Experiment with the RGB tone curve to adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights. For color consistency, access the HSL/color panel to adjust hue, saturation, and luminance of specific colors. Select each color channel and make adjustments to maintain a cohesive look across your video. If necessary, use the split toning panel to add a subtle color tint to highlights and shadows. Next, check the color grading panel for further refinement of your color balance. Adjust the global, shadow, and highlight colors as desired. Once satisfied with your adjustments, sync these settings with other video clips. To do this, select all relevant clips, right-click, and choose Sync Settings. In the Sync dialog, select the settings you want to apply and hit Synchronize. Check other video clips to ensure color consistency across your project. Finally, export your video by navigating back to the Library module and clicking Export. Choose your export settings and format, then click Export to finalize your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.